Welcome to the Story Chief Academy. In this video, we'll explore how to create a social post and all the possibilities. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating and tailoring social media posts using Story Chief. You'll learn how to select channels, add media, craft your message, customize posts per channel, collaborate with team members and clients, and schedule your posts for publishing. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll have a look at social media posts, how to create a post set in Story Chief from different sources, and how to tailor posts for various social channels. In your dashboard, simply click on the button and select Create Social Post or Create Social Post with AI. Alternatively, you can go to the Social Post overview and click New Social Post, with or without AI. It's that easy. The next step is to select the channels for the post. In an earlier video, we saw how to connect these channels, so you can now easily toggle them on and off according to your preferences. In this example, we will select X/Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and our ambassadors. Now it's time to create the social post itself. You have multiple options available to add media to the post. The first is linking an article, which lets you transform published articles into posts. Click on the Story Chief logo and choose the article you want to link. Another option is attaching a URL to link back to a website page or published video. If you don't want to link to a page, go for an image or video. Select one of the options to include the visuals. Last but not least, for LinkedIn, it's also possible to take your audience on a journey through your documents. Create document carousels on LinkedIn from PDF. These can be added by uploading from your computer. Choose the option that best suits your content strategy and audience engagement goals. In this case, we'll use a link. Click on the links, click on the preferred URL, and it inserts. Now, we're ready for the next step. Craft your master message, the default content that will appear across all your selected social media channels. The easiest way is to use the AI Power Mode to create your social post. Fill in a working title, select some context, such as an existing article, and add an audience. For the post purpose and the tone of voice, you can leave the auto detect on or use an option from the drop-down menu. Click on Submit to generate the post. This is a great opportunity to showcase your brand's unique voice and style. Story Chief allows you to customize your posts per channel, ensuring that each audience receives a tailored experience. For example, we want to tag William Inc. on LinkedIn but not on other channels. So adding the @ with the correct slug works to tag the company page. Now the blue background indicates when the content for a certain channel is tailored. By clicking the three dots and selecting Revert All Changes, it's possible to revert the text to default. Besides tailored text, easily change the preview of your linked article to diversify on channels. Click on Modify Preview and use one of the various upload manners. We'll go with the media library and select an image. Click Insert, and there it is. In the top right corner of the image, you'll see our magic wand. This feature allows you to adjust images even after uploading them to further allow customization. Optionally fill in a title and click Save. Now, our LinkedIn post stands out from the others. Make use of our customization to optimize your content for maximum engagement. For the ambassador emails, it's possible to change the email subject and the message. Next, we'll dive into more technical details. The first extra option is channel grouping. In our example, we selected 2 Facebook pages and these have a message for both of them. By clicking Ungroup, you can tailor the message for each page. To group them again, click the 3 dots and select Regroup and set as default. Secondly, use UTM tags to better track the source of your audience. This is only for article or link-based social posts. In practical steps, click on No UTM Parameters Set to open the side window. Paste your pre-made UTM tag or open our free UTM builder. Choose the values or variables for the parameters and even add your custom parameters. Maybe you want to track the type of page your URL redirects to, such as blogs. Click Save to see the result under the specific social post. Something that might be interesting for you is setting a default UTM link. Click on the newly created UTM tag and select the Set as Default for option. The following feature makes sure the images are the perfect size for social media channels. You might see a warning for large images. Click on Fix Issue to open a sidebar where you can upload another preview image. The next important part is collaboration. Click on Comments to open the sidebar to focus on collaborating with team members and clients. Select Add Comment and choose to just leave a comment or suggest what the text should be. Add an emoji or tag the person who needs to apply the comment. Something interesting is the privacy settings, which defaults to team. When sharing a post set with external people, they will only see public comments. Finish by clicking Submit. Via reply, it's possible to add more information or to express your own opinion. Next to the Add Comment button, there is a filter option. The default setting shows all the open comments to focus on the post in progress. Yet it's also possible to show all the comments or only the resolved ones. After finishing up your part, we'll have a look at the collaboration. On top of the page, click on Collaborate. Choose whether you want to invite someone to edit or to review. If you just want people to view your content, click on Link Sharing Disabled to generate the public sharing link. Anyone with this link can just view the social post. In this post, we'll ask for approval by clicking on Ask Someone to Review. Select the user from the drop-down menu, or when working with clients, insert their email addresses. This way, they can approve the post without needing the hassle of adding them as users and managing their access. If you often request this for the same people, the previously used might come in handy. Leave a note and make sure the approval checkbox is enabled. Click Confirm to send out the emails. Back in the social post, an approval bar will appear with the status. Now it's pending, but this will change when somebody approves or declines the content. That's it for the collaboration. Is your social post part of a campaign that you want to track collectively? Click on the three dots top right to open the menu. Click on Manage Campaigns. Add the campaigns of your liking or even create a campaign if you have none yet. Click Update to go back to the social posts. By opening the menu again, we can manage the properties. Here, you can change the custom fields of the post set. In our scenario, the social post is marked as evergreen content and as free content. Click Save at the bottom of the page to save the updates. Once you've perfected your social posts, it's time to publish. Choose between immediate publishing or schedule them for later. This way, you have full control over when and where your content goes live. In this example, Facebook can go live now, whereas X/Twitter will be scheduled tomorrow at 1 in the afternoon. LinkedIn can go out a day later even. Click on the blue dot to revert the changes. The published date will now be the same as the master post set. Go create a social post and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.